Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to edit Google Forms header. So first thing is just simply go to Google Forms, and now from here just simply select one of your forms. And now here guys, in order for you to change this header, as you can see we have a building header. So you can just simply click on this customize theme icon on the top right. So click on this, and from here you will have header. And now you could just simply go ahead and click on this one, remove header image. And after that, you could just simply select choose image. And now you can select some images over here based on the stock images of the Google Forms, or you could just simply go for the upload over here. And now you could just simply browse through your computer, or you could just simply drag a file over here. So let's say I'm going to drag a file. So guys, I will be using our mobile background as an example. And now just simply wait for it to load up. And as you can see, it will look something like this. So you could just simply select a portion of your picture. And now you could just simply click done. And after that, just simply wait for it to load up. And the header will be changed. And you can also change the text over here as well. And there you go. In order for you to save it, you could just simply click publish on the top right in order for you to save the changes. There you go. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.